Hi and greetings from Cairo, Egypt. This is what I hope is the first in a series of short videos about our life here in Egypt. We live on the far western edge of Cairo in Sheikh Zayed city, or as natives here call it, Sheikh Zayed. It's like one word, but if you saw it spelled out in English, it would look like Sheikh Zayed. I'm going to start this morning with a brief tour of the balcony where I've done some plantings, and I'm pretty excited about those. They're starting to come up, they're starting to bear fruition. So let's kick it off and go outside. Okay, in the foreground, I've got some carrots and peas and some stray melon seeds that are germinating. And behind that, arugula and lettuce, mostly arugula. And my now blooming jasmine shrub. This is one of two bougainvilleas on our balcony. This is the dark red one. And that's kind of the direction of the pyramids. And then here is the pink one. It's loaded with blooms, seems to like it where it is, even though it can be awfully windy up here on the top of our balcony. And here's a seedling operation on the balcony. In the small round yogurt pots, those are kohlrabi seedlings. I think I'm going to transplant them sometime later this week. And then in these two top containers are mostly calendula, some more kohlrabi, and some poppy seeds that haven't germinated yet. And here we go with some calendula and poppy seeds, again, that haven't germinated. I scavenged this long rectangular container, it's plastic, on the landing of the floor below us in our apartment house. Somebody had just abandoned it there, and the garbage guy hadn't taken it out yet, so it was empty, full of trash actually. That is a great sign that it's up for grabs. Okay, one side of our balcony with most of the plantings, and then the parking lot below us. It's starting to get busy in the mornings because the language schools are picking up their students, so you hear some diesel vans running. But on this end of the balcony, I have two rectangular planters, and this one has some calendula seedlings in it. I'm pretty excited about those. They took transplanting really well. And the second one, I've got plans for some kohlrabi in it. My compost operation, because I've done so much planting lately, has gone from 5 or 6 buckets to 2, and that top one is empty. So I need to go scavenge some stuff. There's some dirt around the compound, and I picked up these leaves the other day, and I'm going to strip those. They're not quite dry enough yet. And we've been collecting kitchen scraps, so we're always composting on the balcony in containers. And finally, here's a view from the opposite end of our balcony. This is the composting end of the balcony of the compound below. And it is really green right now, and some flowers in people's backyards are starting to bloom. Probably can't see them, but there's plumeria over there, and somebody has roses in their back lot. The gardeners water year-round here. And we just had some rain recently. With the cooler temperatures, it's just turned really great out here. And it's beautiful every morning. It's in the 50s right now. Everybody have a great day. See you next time.